NYC. I just want to take a moment to thank everybody that subscribed and keep those comments coming. In this month's segment, we're going to go over what to do when you have a hot spot in your foot in the pointe shoes. You may have a bone on the metatarsal that rubs right here, like a bunion joint. Some people have a very pronounced bone here on the outside of this metatarsal, and that rubs in the pointe shoe. Sometimes you get a heel blister, can't be helped, and you need some sort of coverage there. Occasionally you'll get blisters on the other parts of your foot. I'm going to show you a nice option here to help. Most of the time people make the mistake of taking things in their pointe shoe and just sort of trying to shove more and more cushions, and the more you do that, the more pressure you're creating because the shoes are already so snug to begin with. Here we're going to just show you, this option is great. It's called a bunion cushion. You can get them at any drugstore. They're really inexpensive. Don't even get the expensive brand name. You can get the in-house brand and you'll save a lot of money that way. This cushion is great because it's shaped round, right? So it looks like a donut. It's got the hole in the middle, and then it's got cushion and it's got sticky on one side. Some nice options for that is you can put it on the bunion joint like that. I've even doubled up on it here, so you can make two, and that raises the pressure off. You can even take one of these and place it above where the blister is. So the blister goes right through the hole, right, depending on where it is on the heel. You can even take it, and if you have that pronounced bone on the outside, you can put that right over that bone. Anywhere that you have a blister, so what would happen is you would have that, put that in there, and then go ahead with your additional padding or whatever else, and then you get it in the pointe shoe. And what's so wonderful about these cushions is they just raise the pressure right off rather than adding pressure to. Right, so bunion cushion, nice option to use in the pointe shoes. I have as a special guest today, Ozzy Neckerman. That's a little bit hard for me to say, but that's okay. Did I do okay with that? Okay, thank you. I just had to have you on because I got to meet her. I did the free fittings for School of American Ballet this year, and I got to meet you because you were selling your wonderful bracelets, and I just want to show people what they look like. This is what, say, a finished bracelet would look like. The first thing I just wanted to know is you're the founder and the president of KO2 Consulting. Can you tell us a little about the company?
Sure. Yeah. So I provide energy and sustainability strategy services for a variety of clients, ranging from real estate to now you can see the School of American Ballet doing dancing. So I have a breadth of experience in terms of reducing carbon emissions, waste, and saving energy. It started as a waste reduction project, and it evolved into something quite interesting. I went and saw Fearless Creature by Wendy Raymond.
Oh, right. Terrific movie.
Terrific movie. And I had been dancing a little bit, ballet, trying to learn at this ripe age, and I wanted to see how a professional dancer, what she goes through. And at the end of the documentary, there was a Q&A, and someone asked her about how many shoes or how many pointe shoes you go through or something like that, and she said something in the range of 1 to 4 a day.
Yes.
And at that point, my sustainability brain kicked in and said, oh my God, how many professional dancers are there? How many shoes are going to waste at the end of the day? So I came up with some designs, and one of them is the bracelets. But I originally wanted to do a bag, but the bag would have been too much of it may be in the future, but at the moment, as the first product, something simpler, something we can deal with a little bit more. They recommended I do bracelets. So then I took the bracelets and I went back to the School of American Ballet saying, we can use your used shoes and make bracelets, sell them, and share profits. And this way, it becomes your wasted product becomes a fundraiser for you.
So from start to finish, how long does it take them to
So in the beginning, it took a very long time because they were figuring out how to best take it apart. So now, depending on the size of the order, it can be from 2 weeks to 6 weeks.
at the school, you upcycle the Pointe shoes, and that was the first time, I have to tell you, that's the first time I've heard the word upcycle. So what do you mean by upcycling?
Upcycling is to make it even more valuable product. So if you recycling, let's say, a bottle into a bag changes the way it was a plastic bag. I'm not changing the leather stays the leather. I'm just basically recombining the pieces, upcycling into a new product as opposed to, let's say, melting down the leather and then making something else.
Okay.
So I'm keeping the integrity of the materials.
I wanted to mention that this product, it's under the name of
Petit Pas.
Petit Pas. So, and we can find that on Instagram, right?
You can find it on Instagram, and we have a website called Petit Pas, PETITPAS.NYC. So we wanted to make sure it's branded with NYC. Petit Pas London will be called Petit Pas London, so it's Petit Pas NYC. And you can find it on Etsy as well. So
Etsy, okay, you have an Etsy store. Is it under the same name of the?
Yes, it is under the same name, Petit Pas NYC.
Okay.
And they're also sold in food.
Oh, I just want to thank Ozgan for coming in today. Thank you so much.
Thank you for inviting me.
I feel like I learned a lot about upcycling. Now I know what that is, and I also learned that there are so many things possible from a Pointe shoes, things that I never even thought were possible. And don't forget to go get your own bracelet.